Welcome to the River Cottage Canteen in Winchester. In a perfect world, all the ingredients that come into our kitchen here would leave the restaurant in the bellies of our customers. But this isn't a perfect world. And in fact, the hospitality industry has a huge waste problem. I think I already have some very talented chefs who are pretty nifty and thrifty in the kitchen. I mean, I'm constantly challenging them to create beautiful new dishes, but also to be smart about the way they operate in the kitchen and to waste less food. Winnow came to us and said they had a system that could quantify and analyse what we were wasting in the restaurant, and anything that can help them address that challenge is very welcome in my kitchen. If you make a significant reduction in your food waste, by definition you make a significant reduction in your costs. And who in the restaurant business doesn't want to do that?
The Winnow system is incredibly easy to use. We trained our team within 5 minutes and we've achieved great results, which has been amazing for the team, for our ordering and for our costs.
Here I have some red onion skins. I'm just going to put them in the bin. They'll get weighed, trimmings, vegetables, onions, and then it's done. The Winnow system goes very well with the ethos of River Cottage, using what you can and trying to throw away as little as possible.
These are our parsnip peels, which in so many restaurants end up in the bin, and that's a terrible shame because they're delicious. And here we just toss them in a bit of rice flour and fling them in the deep fat fryer, and they're lovely and crispy. The chefs have come up with something really nifty, and now they're dusting them with sugar and a little bit of cinnamon and putting them on top as a garnish on our delicious parsnip and toffee pudding cake. I've never had these before, guys. They're really delicious. Nice one, Mark. These are really, really good. These lovely brioche buns used to be bigger than this, and we had a problem that they were coming back on the plate. Usually the bottom half, they weren't getting finished, but it was only when we got the Winnow that we saw just how much bread we were wasting and decided to do something about it. So Matt has resized our brioche buns, and now they get pretty much nailed every time.
I can see how much the waste was actually recorded and logged, and then I can look over here and it itemises it for me. So for instance, yesterday I can see that there was 11 pounds worth of meat spoiled or damaged, so then I can go into my team, speak to them, find out where it's gone wrong, how we can avoid it, and then we take it from there, and that's how the process starts.
I would say to the whole hospitality industry that by addressing the waste problem, we've all got so much to gain, because we really start to understand the impact we have on the wider world. And if we make a less negative, more positive impact, that's something to feel fantastic about.